Hey, what's up, Rebels? I was out here today using my spreader, and I just wanted to show you guys how it worked real quick. I'm just super impressed with this thing. I've used it several times. If you've ever needed it for spreading fertilizer or seed or anything like that, I highly recommend it. Let me show you guys here what it's like. Okay, so here's the actual spreader itself. Just a quick run through on it. It does have an adjustment here that's for your granule size, and then it has a adjustment here for the how far it throws the radius basically. So if you look here, I'll just show you how well it works. But I mean, it puts down, see, whatever you're putting down, it really lays it down nicely. This here is fertilizer that we're doing right now. But as you see, the pattern is really good on it, and it just works really well. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to kind of show you. I just really impressed with this thing. So if you've ever been on the fence about getting one, I'd say go ahead and pick one up if you can find one. So yep, that's it. All right, guys. Till next time.